Hello friends, welcome once again in Sundar Sir's classes. How are you friends? Hope you all will be fit and fine in the time of pandemic in the whole world. I pray that you all will be quite fit and fine. So, once again, we come to our real topic. In the previous lesson, I have started the new series about phonetics, and in this topic we have discussed vowel sounds, and in vowel sounds we have discussed the monophthongs or the pure vowels, and we have learned that there are 12 pure vowels in English, and I have also told you about the symbols of all 12 pure vowels and their sound, how to produce these sound, the symbols, etc. And hope that you will have learn it properly and have practice of these pure vowels, symbols or sounds. In our today's lesson, I am going to tell you about the other part of vowel sounds, and that is called diphthongs or mixed vowels. The number of these vowels are 8. What is the special about these diphthongs? Actually, diphthongs are the combination of two pure vowels. When we add two pure vowels, it makes our diphthongs or mixed vowels, and in English such sounds are 8, and we will discuss one by one all these sounds. So you stay with me till the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you did not subscribe it till now, and don't forget to like and share also. Okay, let's start with the video. There are 8 sounds, and the first one we are going to discuss, that is first sound. First of all, you have all remembered that these all diphthongs are long vowels. Obviously, when two short sounds mix up, they becomes long. In this way, these all diphthongs are long vowels, and they are produced with the two places. In our next lesson, then we will come to the next chapter, that the articulatory system, respiratory system, and the phonatory system. In these lessons, in coming lessons, I will tell you all about how to produce these sounds of vowels, monophthong, diphthongs, even those consonant sounds. I will tell you all about these in detail, because some of my friends requested me to make the videos on phonetics. That's why I am starting the new series now. Okay, let's we take the first. If you see, that is A and that is E. It means A and E, and that is produced A. It's like 8. Wait, late, straight. 8 means A. अगर हिंदी में मैं बताऊं तो A और E की जो आवाज है उसको अगर हम मिला दें तो वो A की आवाज हो जाती है, जस्ट लाइक वेट. ऑल दिस, वेट, स्ट्रेट, 8, late. In this way you can find the sound of these diphthongs A. In another, next one is, listen this, that is short vowel I told you that is the first sound, shortest sound in English, and that is oo. Oak, zoke, that is joke, not joke, that is zoke. Slow, no, K-N-O-W, no, means how. In the production of these diphthong sounds, you must practice first how to pronounce the pure vowels. If you able to pronounce the pure vowels, then you can be able to pronounce all these diphthongs, because as I tell you earlier before also that these diphthongs are the mixture of two pure vowels. Next one taken is, that is sound a, and that is e, a, e, that is I, eyes, mice, twice, my, lie. All these words have the sound of this diphthongs I. हिंदी में आ और ई का मिक्सर है ये आई. तो बोलते समय इसको आई ई ऐसे नहीं बोलेंगे. व्हेन वी स्पीक दैट इज आई मिक्स विद. These are two different sounds, but when we use this as a diphthongs, we make it single sound and speak these as a single sound. Okay. Next is a, that is o. How, that's like out, shout, how, now, a, ऊ. हिंदी में अगर कहते हैं आ और ऊ का मिक्सचर है ये आओ, बट इसको आओ नहीं बोलते, आओ मीन्स एक सिंगल आवाज में हमें बोलना पड़ता है. दो अलग अलग आवाज होने के बाद जब इसे हम डिप्थोंग्स के रूप में, संयुक्त जो स्वर के रूप में अगर हम इसको बोलेंगे तो हम इसे एक ही आवाज में, इसको हम डिफ्रेंशिएट नहीं कर सकते, दो अलग अलग साउंड नहीं दिखानी है. जब हमने बोलना है तो एक ही आवाज जो है, एक ही साउंड आनी चाहिए. वी प्रोनाउंस इट इन ए सिंगल साउंड जस्ट लाइक आओ. Next one is O, that is O, and that is E. Oi, oi, just like oil, boil, boy, toy, joy. All these sounds, oi, it's produced with the single sound oi, oi, boy, toy. Next one is, that is E, that is A. E, A, ear, ear, ear. That's like ear, hear, tear, clear, cheer, near, dear. All these sounds, tear, beard, near, ear. Means the sound is producing the ear. In this way, we can speak this sound properly by the practice of maximum. Next one is a, ear, ear, ear. Because this is the shortest sound that we can't say ear, there is o, ear. Just like ear, chair, bear, here, there, ear. That is the sound of diphthongs ear. हिंदी में अगर कहें तो ए और ए की साउंड होती है ये एयर, जस्ट लाइक चेयर. तो इस प्रकार से हमने इसको जब बोलेंगे तो हम इसे एक ही आवाज़ में, एक टोन में, एक सिंगल साउंड के अंदर हम इसका उच्चारण करेंगे. इट्स लाइक एयर, चेयर, केयर, हेयर, देयर, वेयर, in this way. And the last diphthong sound is easily identified just like o, a. हिंदी में अगर कहें तो ऊ, इंग्लिश में से एज ऊ, ऊ. Because I have told you that is notice that is a long no, it is short sound that is pronounced as u, u. Is the slightest sound, smallest sound that is will pronounce it as the very smallest way. That's this oo, just like doer, poor, doer, cured. So in this way we can practice and practice. This is the sound because these for our Indian friends I would like to tell that English is a foreign language. Our native language is English, so we can't expect too much that we will exactly pronounce these sound as per the English person. because accent and the diction is the different for all the reasons. हमारे जो भारतीय लोग हैं उनके जो हमारी डिक्शन है, जो हमारा एक्सेंट है, वो एक इंग्लिश मैन की तरह जो है वो कभी नहीं हो सकता. बट वी कैन ट्राई to get over this level because accent have the the accent of persons of everywhere have the different. क्योंकि एक अंग्रेज़ जो है वो एक अच्छी हिंदी हमारे हिंदी की तरह जो है अच्छी तरह प्रोनाउंस नहीं कर सकते बस. बट इफ़ वी ट्राई एंड ट्राई then we can be able to pronounce these sounds properly and it with the good diction and accent and intonation. So hope by this lesson you will learn a little bit about the basics of English sounds vowels. In these two lessons I have completed the vowel sounds. In the next coming lesson I will tell you about consonant sounds. The number of consonant sounds are 24 in English. I'm telling you the sounds and the symbols. Total sound and symbols in English language are 44. और मैं आपको बता दूं हिंदी के अंदर भी लगभग हमारे 44 ही शायद जो है वर्ण हमारे जो है होते हैं, जिसमें स्वर और व्यंजन को मिलाने के बाद तो सेम साउंड जो है वो इंग्लिश, क्योंकि भाषा चाहे कोई भी हो और जो साउंड जो होती है वो हमेशा ही दो ही होती है, एक स्वर और दूसरी व्यंजन की. एवरी लैंग्वेज हैव द टू पार्ट्स, द वोवल्स एंड द कॉन्सोनेंट्स, वट एवर द लैंग्वेज इज और आर. सो फ्रेंड्स, होप you will get it soon. We meet in the another lesson belongs to this phonetic basic English. Till then you have to practice maximum of these sounds, because if you want to speak correct English you have to practice more and more. So hope it will help you a little bit. So that's all from now. See you soon. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you.